Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your Cardano, ADA, from one exchange to another. Today, we're breaking down how to send ADA from Kraken to KuCoin step by step. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to keep your assets safe. Crypto can be tricky. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kraken and KuCoin. Log into your Kraken account and head over to your wallet section. Look for your Cardano balance, that's your ADA. Now, select the withdraw option for ADA. Kraken might have updated their interface by 2025, so keep an eye out for any new features, like enhanced security prompts. Next, you'll need your KuCoin wallet address. Hop over to KuCoin, log in, and go to your ADA wallet. Copy the deposit address. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers. Pro tip: always verify the network is set to Cardano's blockchain to avoid any mix-ups. Back on Kraken, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount you want to send, but remember to leave enough for any network fees, which could be around 1 to 2 ADA depending on 2025 rates. Before you hit confirm, review everything twice. Wrong addresses can lead to lost funds forever. Once you're good, approve the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. Now, switch to KuCoin and check your wallet. Your ADA should show up in a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your Cardano from Kraken to KuCoin. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.